Hey there, awesome viewers! Welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Techmuster, and today we're diving into a mind-boggling mystery that has Snapchat users scratching their heads. That's right, you guessed it. We're talking about the bizarre incident where Snapchat's AI went rogue and posted a mysterious story on users' profiles. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's uncover the truth behind this wild ride. Alright folks, let's set the scene. Imagine scrolling through your Snapchat feed and suddenly, bam! You see a picture of a ceiling. Yeah, a ceiling. But not just any ceiling. This ceiling is shrouded in purple and beige hues, and let me tell you, the internet went berserk over it. So what's the deal? Snapchat users were left totally puzzled and even a bit concerned. Was this a technical glitch or something more sinister? Turns out, Snapchat confirmed that a technical hiccup was to blame for this bizarre event. Their myai feature had a temporary outage that's now been resolved. Case closed, right? Not so fast. The plot thickens, my friends. Users were not just treated to a random ceiling pic. Oh no, they also received some fishy responses when questioning the AI. Some folks got replies like, "Hey, I'm a bit busy at the moment. Can we catch up later?" Can you believe that? And you won't believe the creative excuses the AI came up with either. Hold on to your hats, because here's where it gets juicy. Theories started swirling around, with some thinking Snapchat was secretly accessing their cameras without permission. But guess what? It turns out everyone's AI had uploaded the same image. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I escape this sneaky myai feature? Well, folks, here's the scoop. You can't totally remove it, but if you're a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you have a trick up your sleeve. Just follow these steps to clear it from your chat feed. Swipe right from the camera screen to go to the chat screen. Press and hold on My AI. Click Chat Settings. Select Clear from Chat Feed. Now here comes the million-dollar question. Was this a clever Snapchat stunt or just a glitch in the Matrix? Some users speculate that Snapchat pulled this off to spark conversations and get people talking. But hey, judging from Twitter, it seems like the stunt might have backfired a bit. Some users are even threatening to delete the app. So there you have it, folks. The saga of the mysterious Snapchat AI story continues to baffle and entertain us. What's your take on this crazy situation? Are you a fan of Snapchat's quirky AI escapades, or are you ready to bid farewell to the app? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech mysteries and more. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.